Back pain isn't just annoying, it's a silent thief that steals your energy, focus, and quality of life. But what if the real cause of your pain isn't what you think? Most people treat the symptoms, not the root problem. Today, we're breaking down the 10 main causes of back pain, and how to fix them for good. Welcome to Levitas. How debilitating can back pain be? Back pain isn't just a mild discomfort, for many, it's crippling. It can make simple movements like bending, walking, or even sitting feel impossible. Chronic pain leads to poor sleep, mood swings, and fatigue, affecting work performance and daily activities. The worst part is that ignoring it only makes it worse. Left untreated, back pain can lead to permanent spinal damage, forcing people into surgery, pain medications, or even disability. But the good news is that most cases can be treated without surgery, if you address the real cause early. Let's dive into the biggest culprits behind back pain and how to fix them naturally. 1. Muscle and ligament strains and sprains. One of the most common causes of back pain is strained muscles and ligaments. This happens when you overstretch or tear soft tissues due to sudden movements, heavy lifting, or bad posture. The result is sharp pain, stiffness, and limited movement. The best way to fix it is rest, ice, and gentle stretching. Heat therapy can increase blood flow, while strengthening exercises help prevent future injuries. If pain persists, physical therapy can help restore mobility and strength. Avoiding sudden, jerky movements and using proper lifting techniques can prevent unnecessary strain on your back. 2. Degenerative conditions. As we age, the spine naturally wears down, leading to conditions like osteoarthritis, degenerative disc disease, and spondylosis. These chronic conditions cause the cartilage and discs in the spine to break down, leading to inflammation, stiffness, and persistent pain. The worst part of this is that the damage is often irreversible, but the pain can be managed. Regular exercise, anti-inflammatory diets, and physical therapy can slow the progression and improve spinal mobility. Low-impact activities like swimming, yoga, and Pilates keep the spine flexible and strong. In severe cases, pain management treatments, med injections, or surgery may be necessary. Maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding high-impact activities can reduce stress on aging joints and prevent worsening symptoms. 3. Herniated or ruptured discs. A herniated disc occurs when the soft inner core of a spinal disc pushes through its outer layer, pressing on nerves and causing severe pain, numbness, or weakness. This is one of the most painful causes of back pain and can even lead to sciatica, sharp pain running down the leg. The good news is many herniated discs heal without surgery. Rest, physical therapy, and anti-inflammatory treatments can reduce pain and swelling. Strengthening the core muscles and practicing proper posture help support the spine. In extreme cases, epidural injections or surgical intervention may be required to relieve the nerve pressure. 4. Spinal stenosis. Spinal stenosis is when the spinal canal narrows, compressing nerves and leading to pain, tingling, and weakness. This condition often worsens with age, making it difficult to stand or even walk for long periods. The best way to manage stenosis is with physical therapy, posture correction, and anti-inflammatory diets and treatments. Strengthening the core and back muscles can help relieve pressure on the spine. For severe cases, steroid injections or surgery may be needed to widen the spinal canal and reduce the nerve compression. 5. Poor posture. Are you constantly sitting hunched over your phone or computer? Poor posture is a major silent cause of back pain. Slouching causes muscle imbalances, leading to chronic stiffness and pain. The worst postures include hunching over desks or screens, slouching while standing, carrying heavy bags on just one shoulder, or sleeping in awkward positions. To fix bad posture, focus on ergonomic chairs, lumbar support, and posture exercises. Strengthening the core and back muscles improves spinal alignment. Standing up every 30 minutes, stretching, and keeping screens at eye level help reduce the strain. 6. Trauma and injury. Car accidents, falls, and sports injuries can cause serious spinal damage. Trauma often leads to fractures, ligament tears, or slipped discs, all of which require immediate medical attention. Even minor injuries can result in chronic pain if not properly treated. The best recovery strategy includes physical therapy, pain management, and core strengthening exercises. Using proper safety gear, avoiding high-risk activities, and practicing safe movement techniques can reduce this risk of injury and prevent future injuries. 7. Obesity. Excess weight places huge stress on the spine, increasing the risk of disc degeneration, joint pain, and poor posture. The obvious fix here is to lose weight through a healthy food plan and regular exercise. Low-impact workouts like swimming, walking, and yoga relieve pressure on the spine while improving flexibility and strength. Losing just 5 to 10% of body weight can reduce back pain dramatically. 8. Underlying medical conditions. Certain conditions like kidney infections, fibromyalgia, and endometriosis can cause referred back pain. Kidney issues often trigger sharp lower back pain, while fibromyalgia causes widespread muscle pain and tenderness. Autoimmune diseases like ankylosing spondylitis can lead to spinal stiffness and inflammation. The solution here is focusing on identifying and treating the root cause. Managing inflammation through diet, staying active, and using pain relief therapies can reduce discomfort. For autoimmune disorders, medications and physical therapy help to keep symptoms under control. 9. Smoking. Surprisingly, smoking weakens spinal discs by reducing blood flow, leading to faster degeneration. Nicotine also inhibits bone healing, making injuries worse and recovery slower. The best obvious fix is to quit smoking. Over time, circulation improves, reducing disc damage and inflammation. 10. Overuse and repetitive movements. Repeated movements, like lifting, twisting, or standing for hours, strain the back over time, leading to chronic pain. But how can you fix this? Stretching, strength training, and proper lifting techniques are key. Taking breaks, using ergonomic equipment, and avoiding repetitive stress helps keep the spine healthy. In conclusion, back pain is far more than just an annoyance. It can be profoundly crippling, affecting sleep, mood, and daily life. Ignoring it only worsens the problem, potentially leading to surgery or disability. However, the good news is that most cases can be prevented and treated if the root cause is addressed early. Many people suffer from muscle and ligament strains caused by sudden movements, heavy lifting, or poor posture. The fix is to focus on rest, ice, heat therapy, and strengthening exercises to restore mobility and prevent future injuries. Meanwhile, degenerative conditions like osteoarthritis and disc disease worsen with age, but low-impact exercises, anti-inflammatory diets, and physical therapy can help slow progression and reduce pain. A herniated disc is among the most painful conditions, often leading to nerve compression and sciatica. Yet, with proper rest, posture correction, and targeted therapy, most cases heal without surgery. Spinal stenosis, another common cause, can be managed through core strengthening, posture correction, and anti-inflammatory treatments. Poor posture is a silent culprit, causing muscle imbalances and chronic stiffness. The solution focuses on ergonomic adjustments, core strengthening, and stretching. Likewise, injuries and trauma require immediate medical attention to prevent long-term damage. Excess weight, underlying medical conditions, and smoking all contribute to chronic back pain, but each can be managed or reversed through healthy habits, medical treatment, and lifestyle changes. Finally, repetitive movements and overuse can be countered by proper technique, stretching, and ergonomic support, ensuring a pain-free, healthier spine. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.